Alright, so let's keep working on the bridge. Let's open our map here. Okay, so let's add some small elements. And here we have our bridge, and we just need to add some small elements here based on the reference of the game. So let's do that. And why do I add some small elements now and not later is because I want to have a sense of scale and proportion. So it's very important to add the small elements at the beginning instead of the end. So let's check this one. Okay, so like if you play the game, you can see that there are some elements here that are like small. At this point, like I think like your brain is telling you that you should, you know, think about what you're building before you build it. That's not how artist thinks. And yes, it is true to some extent that you need to know what you're building before you start. But actually, we all see the worlds in terms of shapes and forms. And if I just see a cube here, then that's what it is, really. That's all what it is, and no need to think about too much about what we're building. So let's call this one SM breach small. What the hell is this? I don't know. A small mini column. Alright, so let's just export this one. You only care about the pivot point is in the right place. And if it's not in the right place, like it really doesn't matter. Like, we can fix it. We can really fix it. So don't worry about it. Alright, so that's the small element here that we have here in our scene, and actually it repeats here. Okay, and not only here, but it should also repeat here. There you go. Now let's see this part here should be like this, yeah, and then we need another wall which actually looks something like this. Maybe we can use this one. Let's take a look at this. Maybe we can, maybe we don't, but we will never know until we try. So let's think about it. All right, let's create a new one. But yeah, let's take care of the wall next. But first I need to add some flags here. So let's do that. Let's create a cylinder here. Let's put an auto grid so I can snap this here. Okay, there you go. Reduce the number of segments, like I don't know, 8 or so, maybe less, like 6. Okay, and then reduce the height, something like this, and then let's duplicate this one and then increase the number of segments, like 18, and reduce the radius and just scale this up. Maybe something like this will be enough. So let's merge them. Let's grab this one, do something like this, and then attach here. Okay, and then this one we're going to rotate this. This is gonna be our banner, and we're gonna put it here, and then just scale it down, just like that. Don't worry about don't worry about anything, really. Just keep going. So let's create a flag here. Okay, like we had some issues here. Let's create. Okay, let's remove the auto grid and let's create it here. Okay, right, so let's just move this one up like this, just like that, just to have some shapes here. There you go, and we put it here, and this one we will put a tube here, and then this one we will move it a little bit. There you go, now we have our flag. Let's attach it, but before we attach it, let's create the materials. I don't know what the hell is that, but so let's reset everything. Okay, so this is like maybe concrete, and concrete will be like this color. Oh, I know what that is. I believe it's something about my rendering inside Max, which I changed because of the Megascans, but it really doesn't matter now. So this is concrete and this is black. Cloth, maybe. Cloth, and maybe the cloth is whitish. So let's assign the cloth to this one. There you go, and then assign the concrete to this one, and then well, we will continue to add more materials as we go. But what we're gonna do is to attach those. There you go, and go to our export selected objects. Oops, we didn't rename it, so let's SM flag banner. Cancel. Let's export again. And what we're doing now is we will take a look at the scale first before anything else. So let's put it here. And what we're gonna do is to play our game. Okay, looks a little bit small for me. So let's do something very simple. Let's scale this one and also scale this one. And let's export the two of them. Okay. There you go. Let's see now. Alright, it feels much better. So let's duplicate this one and we will put it here. And now we will move this one here. So we got your flags, and now you have your flags here. And it's working. It really is working. So we need to do something else. And I'm looking at my reference, and we have another part of the column, and maybe we could use this one, but we will not. We will create a new one. There's a small floor we need to create here, so we duplicate this one. Bridge, floor, sides. And what we will do is to select this one, make it like this, and then go like this, just like that. Okay. Okay, let's just try with this first. And let's put the pivot point there. Okay. Import our objects. There you go. And what we will do is to put it here. And we will do the same here, where we will have our bridge. Now, this one is a little bit funny. This one needs to be go further. So let's do that now. Let's not wait until the end. First, we need to move this one. So we're gonna move this one here, and we're gonna extend those because not enough. So what we're gonna do is go to max, And what we're gonna do is to... Whoa, which part is what? Let's try to... So the y-axis is here. The y-axis is this one. Maybe this one. So let's try very fast, okay? So what we're gonna do is to do something like this, okay? And then we will do the FB export, and let's see how it changes. 3, 2, 1. Okay, good. This is what I want. This is exactly what I want, and this is what's happening in my scene actually. And what we need to do now is, because these are too high, we need to decrease the height a little bit. It's a tiny bit. Okay, let's export again. Unreal, do the magic. 3, 2, 1. Okay, just change a little bit. Let's play. Let's play from here. Right, I can feel it. Can you feel it? Let me know in the comments if you feel it. Okay, we don't have any collision, but it doesn't matter for now. Okay, we're starting to have something. So let's wrap up this video. See how you can create your scene very easily without worrying about too many technical details. Just, well, some very simple stuff here that you can use. Pay attention to your skill and don't be too picky. This is not plastic surgery. This is just making games, so have fun. If you make mistakes, you just fix them. No one's gonna die. Nothing's gonna happen. And if you don't fix it today, then you fix it tomorrow. So if you like this video, let us know in the comments if you like it or not, and what kind of videos you would like to watch, what kind of tutorial do you need. And if you have a friend that you will also like this video, please share it with that friend. And don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this. And if you have any you need any help, you're doing any project or RPG game, we check the links in the description to get some help for free. And I'll see you in the next one.